Um, Hi, I'm Dakota, and this project we did for Pie Game was inspired by the original Flappy Bird game. Some things I learned from this project were the Pie Game mixer function. Oh, the Pie Game mixer and functions. So the Pie Game mixer, first off, it controls like sound aspects and like playback. So we use this in our game to like create a soundtrack loop. And then the second thing is functions. Like I used functions in the past, obviously, but we went in detail with a lot of different functions and methods in this game, so it's pretty cool learning more.
Absolutely.
And then
Do you remember any of the functions we coded for this project? What any of them
we
do?
coded, I feel like several different functions, like
Hmm.
the one that spawns obstacles
Yeah.
and things like that.
Awesome.
But okay, so code number one is loading images. So this part of my code like adds images and musics to the game. So here you can see like music, and the rest are like images for like PNGs. And then the second thing adds like the obstacles, which are pipes, I guess, in this case for Flappy Bird, and places them in like certain aspects and like areas to make it like harder. But yeah.
Very good.
And then demo. So
Show us the beautiful project.
yeah, this is my project. We worked on this for a while. We have like all the different functions. We have the player class, and we have like the obstacle class, and then all these functions for the obstacle class. So this is what we worked on like mainly. It's a big part of the game, I guess, because that's the whole point to get across like the obstacles.
Hmm.
So there's obstacles, and then we have like while loops for the loading screen. But here's the game. You cannot hear the music, but there's music.
Trust us.
And you click and then it will move, obviously. So it is that. And then my favorite about working on this project was finding music and like images. I feel like because that was like I like design. And then to improve my project, so first of all, I would add like more sound effects because at the moment, currently I only have a soundtrack, but I love to add like maybe like a sound effect when it like jumps or like when it hits the barrier. And then we could also do like power ups, so like you could just like pass through obstacles for a short period of time, and it just gets more challenging as the game goes on. And then to add on to that, like as the game goes on, like progresses, then we could add like different backgrounds and different themes to make it like cooler.
Yeah.
And then thank you. That's Pie Game.